Never thought your office manager could write himself a $1 million paycheck? Today, you're going to hear how Jairo Santos, an office manager, quietly siphoned over $1.1 million from the law firm he worked for over 7 years. Starting around March 2016, Santos had access to firm checks. He forged the senior partner's signature and made the checks payable to himself, then deposited them into his personal Wells Fargo account. He repeated this with about 806 checks, totaling around $1.2 million. To cover it up, he deleted entries in the firm's general ledger so the firm wouldn't catch on. The fraud went on until February of 2023 unspotted. In July 2023, a federal grand jury indicted him on 3 counts of bank fraud. He pleaded guilty to 1 count in November 2023. So the real problem: how do hundreds of fraudulent checks go unnoticed for years by a professional firm? Santos had both access and trust. The unchecked systems and weak oversight spelled trouble. The firm likely didn't have dual authorization or bank account reconciliations in place. So what were the red flags? Well, one person alone managing payables and ledger entries is a problem. Absence of cross-checking or supervisor review. And missing red flags like irregular ledger deletions or frequent cashier's checks. So what are tips for prevention or detection? Well, the first one: enforce dual signature rules for checks over a certain threshold. Now, admittedly, your bank will not enforce this. They'll still cash a check, even if you write on the check dual signature required over $10,000. But hopefully it's visible enough that will give someone pause before they try this. Also, do regular audits of checks that were issued versus the general ledger entries. And then rotate staff responsibilities and then review reconciliations every month. So in short, office manager embezzles $1.2 million over 7 years using forged checks and audit gaps. He pled guilty, got indicted, and it's a classic trusted insider fraud case. If this shocked you, hit subscribe so you don't miss more real stories just like this.